Turning now to our first alert weather and our meteorologist Jeff Ray. We've got some weather moving in overnight.
Yeah, we've got our first round of spring storms coming in the overnight hours and for the morning commute. We're very concerned about these storms. We have first alert weather day for the overnight hours and tomorrow morning and the afternoon tomorrow because of the threat of high winds and a fire risk. So we're going to go from storms to fire risk. But about these storms, as they move in, damaging winds are my biggest concern. We could have wind gusts with these storms hit 70 miles an hour. Large hail could form in any of the storms to kind of get organized, a supercell along the line, but the leading edge of these storms could produce these quick spin-up tornadoes that are difficult to forecast. You can only kind of spot them there on the radar in the moment, and they usually only last 5 to 10 minutes, but they can do plenty of damage. So that is kind of a high risk. Normally, that's something that happens later in the season and during daytime heating. But anyway, your timing between 4 a.m. and 6 a.m. if you live in the Metroplex, that's when they're going to be arriving in from the west. So you need to be weather aware. You need to watch the radar. Please be watching the morning show. We'll show you where the storms are. You'll probably need to delay your morning commute waiting for these storms to come through because you do not want to be on the road when they do. This is going to start about 3 in the morning in our western counties, and by the time we get to 4 or 5 in the morning, be over Tarrant County, over Denton County, moving over Parker and Johnson, and then over into Dallas, into Ellis County, into Collin County, Rockwall County, Kaufman County. All counties here across the Metroplex are going to see these thunderstorms, and there's going to be some really strong winds ahead of it. And with the storms themselves, even stronger winds, a lot of lightning to deal with. Now, all this clears out as the morning goes on. By the time we get to noon, we're in sunshine. Then the winds become a big problem. But again, we're under that enhanced risk now over portions of the Metroplex and up towards the Red River. That enhanced risk, it swallows up almost all of our eastern counties later in the morning tomorrow when the Metroplex is under a slight risk. This is a high tornado risk for this time of year and for the timing of these storms being that they're coming in the morning. So we're watching these very carefully as they move across. Now, once it clears out, it's not over because we're going to get these wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Beware of your trash cans or anything in your backyard. You want to secure everything because this is going to be the biggest wind we've had so far this year. The steady winds will be out of the northwest, out of the west, actually 25, 35 miles an hour. Now, in the overnight hours, you're going to hear this wind picking up. It's not associated with the storm. Storms come in during the morning hours, and then behind it, you see that purple? Those are those wind gusts getting up to 50 miles an hour. So that is when we're really concerned about that wind being so powerful that we could get some power lines down. Anyway, the other problem with it is that the air is very dry. We're going to have some elevated fire risk, a critical fire risk. So please, no fire starts tomorrow afternoon. On the other side of it, look at that. We're in the 60s. Look at Thursday morning. We start in the 30s. Then we warm up rapidly for the next front. We go into the weekend with temperatures on the cool side on Saturday.